Burning both ends of a candle can leave one in the dark. And I know what I put you through is hard upon your heart. And it's just that you're concerned for me, sweetheart, I understand. You do the best you can with who I am. You go to church on Sunday while I'm still home in bed, sleeping off the night I had before.